Hey everyone! Welcome back to another fun lettering tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to draw different font styles, starting with bubble letters and moving on to 3D shadowed text. This is super beginner friendly, so grab your pencil and let's get started. To begin with, you need to start with a pencil. We're going to write the word in all capital letters, and make sure you leave a nice even gap between each letter so we have space to work around them. Using a black pen or marker, go around every pencil letter and draw an outline. But here's the twist. Round all the edges to give it that soft, puffy bubble effect. Take your time here, and once you're happy with the outlines, you can erase the pencil marks underneath. Let's move on to the second word. Again, start by writing with a pencil in capital letters. This time, when you go around each letter with a pen, sharpen the edges, make them straight and crisp like block letters. This gives your text a more bold and edgy feel, different from the round bubble style. Now comes the fun part, shading and shadowing. We all know the basic concept of light and shadow. If the light is coming from this direction, shadows will fall on the opposite side. Let's apply that here. On every corner of the letter that's facing away from the light, draw a slanting line. Then add a perpendicular line beside each edge to build that shadow shape. You can even fill in this shaded area with black or a darker shade. It really makes your letters pop and gives them a cool 3D effect. There's another easy trick to get that 3D look. Just hold your marker at a 45-degree angle and draw perpendicular lines from the edges of your letters, just like we did before with the shadows. The best part, you don't even need to fill them in this time. Just the outlines are enough to create that 3D illusion. Let's draw one more word using this technique. Remember, this time we're just going for a clean 3D outline without any filling. It still looks super cool and gives a fresh, minimal style. And that's it. Give yourself a round of applause if you followed along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and check out my other videos for more art and calligraphy inspiration.